like polluters got rights and computers got rights. Seems like even computers got rights. Like a day got right, and left got right, and black got white. Mother Nature got right. Mother Nature got right. We wouldn't even survive. We wouldn't even be alive. All we need, she provides. Gotta make sure she thrives. Mother Nature got right. 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 You got some nice voices out there. What a sweet day, what a sweet day. Hey. Now we got equal rights and civil rights. We got women's rights, we got gay rights. We got indigenous rights, and children's rights, animal worker voter, even digital rights. Without her, we wouldn't even survive. We couldn't even be alive. All we need, she provides. Gotta make sure she thrives. Mother Nature got right. 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 Mother Nature got
Sure, all right. So this was what we hope to be the first of many events of this nature. And we're going to have you remove this, Biggs. And I want to thank these guys for playing the music out there. For writing the song, Mother Nature's Got Rights, right? Yeah. The first song of that nature. And I think we all walked the labyrinth. I hope we all walked the labyrinth. And I wanted to, we put some effort into these cards. Actually, Grant here did a ton of work. These cards that represent animals, peoples, and ecosystems that are endangered, extinct, and otherwise threatened. And on the back of each of these, there's a little poem that I wrote to engage us in our labyrinth. And I just thought it'd be nice to take this moment to sort of read it. And it's called Walk a Moment with a Village Heart. Before we were humans, we were the earth's flowering abundance. We were the infinity of sky and the variegated wild waters. We were all creatures once. How many of us have gone? During the time we share today, how many species will vanish? How many languages? How many stories? How many peoples? We cannot know because they are numberless. The species, the stories, the peoples lost, they are numberless. So as you share this time with us today, hold them in your heart, walk with them a moment. Because this village, this global village, all of her, she has one heart. Because it is our heart. So walk with this a moment. And Mother Nature's got rights. Mother Nature's got rights!